All right. Hey everyone. Now we are ready to get up and running. I'm gonna wait for 5-10 minutes just for everybody to get in. Hey, Private Fortune. Um, so today, you guys are going to be helping me with your audio issue. What do we get in return? I knew you were gonna say that. I just knew this is coming from G Demon One, Niku Skin. I'll join here. The chat is faster on Twitch. Yep. It is. So I assume that my speaking volume is fine here, right? Why is Ishan in your shorts? Yeah, because why wouldn't he be? Where is Ishan? Oh, here we go. Sharma ji ka beta. 240p to 4K life. Obviously he will be. Okay, so let's play this video from Pathwise project, and let me plug my earphones in so we don't have audio loop. And from this video, like, I will pause a little bit and talk, so you guys can tell me if my volume of speaking is the exact same or like close to what it is in the video. So if that is like good enough, then we know that our audio issues are solved.
से क्लेम करती है कि वो करोड़ों में अर्न करती है। मैंने गूगल पे रिसर्च करना स्टार्ट किया। अब मुझे पता चला कि कॉफी मीडिया नाम की कोई रजिस्टर्ड कंपनी है ही नहीं।
Okay, so some reaction here. Can you guys tell me if my speaking volume and the video is somewhat close? Can you guys confirm?
ना ही इस कंपनी की कोई ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट एग्जिस्ट करती है। तो जब वेबसाइट ही नहीं है, पोर्टफोलियो कहाँ से होगा, क्लाइंट डिटेल्स कहाँ पे रहेगा। लेकिन ये एक और बिजनेस रन करती है।
Damn, this video got like 626k views. This is going crazy viral. Okay, at this point, can you guys tell me? Okay, so Twitch is fine. I really want to can you okay, this is me asking for a lot, but can you actually go on YouTube and verify this for me? No, I use IEMs and find no difference. Other, please give your input. Anup Chandra. So what it is, what is it, Anup? Do I need to increase my speaking volume, or what is it? Video volume is a little higher. YouTube looks fine. Pro Boxer. Yep. Okay. Thank you for that. It's fine. Okay, this is a little bit windy today, so my doors are getting slammed. Okay, let me come back 1 second. I'll fix my door, and just 1 second, I'll be back. Okay, so it was fine. It turns out that there is some other door that is getting banged. Whoa, now he's asking Twitch chat to come to YouTube. They deserve a Miku skin for real. I first clicked on your YouTube, like, then switched to Twitch. I know that Twitch chat is fine, but YouTube is where people have issues. Anup, can you, video volume is a little bit higher. So if I do this, does it make a difference?
जिसका नाम फ्रीलांस 101 एकेडमी है, जो कि एक पेरेंट कंपनी के अंडर आती है, जिसका नाम एम्बीफेम लर्निंग है। एंड ये कंपनी एक रजिस्टर्ड कंपनी है। तो मैंने इस कंपनी को गूगल किया, तो मुझे मिला ये।
So if I turn down this volume knob on YouTube, does it make it equal or no? Anup, if you can help me out. Play the video, then raise and lower the volume. Let's see. Okay. Let's see this one.
Hey guys, how you doing? Uncle Steph here.
So this is like 30% volume on YouTube.
Is PHP Laravel the top PHP framework in 2024 going into 2025? And in fact,
And now this is my speaking volume. So YouTube volume knob is the one that I'm looking at, isn't it? Now this is 70% YouTube volume.
I would argue that PHP Laravel is actually one of the most important frameworks in the world today, regardless of languages. And I think it.
Okay, so 70% video volume on YouTube is matching, is not matching my speaking volume now, is it? The video is still a little bit louder, right? Anup, I'm only depending on you, bro. Cadbury Bubblegum, Private Fortune, can you tell me if it is fine now? Like 70% on, it's all fine now. YouTube video volume is louder. Okay, so maybe decrease YouTube video volume. Okay. Not gonna lie, Saheli is hot. I think this is what 40% is good. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. So now, okay, established. Okay, thanks, Anup. Yep, it is perfectly fine. Okay, thanks, Pro Boxer. Not gonna lie, Saheli is hot. I think this is how she made her brand. Having a pretty face, it does help. I don't have the best face for YouTube, but if I was a little bit more attractive, I feel like it would have helped. Hey, mediocrity is rising. I'm happy that cricket videos are again back up in my feed. Data analyst job, blah blah blah. This Google DeepMind. Tata Click scammed me. Okay, what do I watch? Reality of software development freelancing in India. Okay, let's
Hey there,
see.
this is Akshat Madan and welcome back to a new video. And in this video, I'll be mostly telling
Why don't many Indian streamers use Twitch? Okay, that is something I don't get either. I think people don't, I hate YouTube Live. Yeah, YouTube Live has problems. You can't really send links, and sometimes some people tell me that their words are getting censored, but it's actually not the case. I haven't put any setting to moderate by itself. I haven't done that, but apparently it is an issue. Chat latency is bad. Yeah. Used to watch Saheli about books 5 years ago, damn. I think the problem that these guys are stuck in, they have become, is pretty diverse. Yep, it is. I think the problem with these people, Saheli and Ishan, is that they have been posting videos for like what, 5 years now? And they are now the latest YouTube boomers, where 5 years ago, YouTube actually encouraged clickbait, exaggerated thumbnails, exaggerated titles, and blah, blah, blah. And they are stuck in it. They just can't really turn around and make genuine, honest, or real videos. Can't do that anymore. This is why like all of our videos have like money thrown in there. 99% videos have money thrown in it. And do you know what makes me happy though? What makes me happy is that whoever watches my live streams for a long time, they know already that I hated Saheli's channel just based on this one thing, that 99% videos have money in it. And now look at what happened. She got called out.
Hi, it's
Bullshit, fuck off. Yeah, my YouTube recommendation is pretty diverse given that I am here a lot. And Algorithm Soft, why did you retract your message? I don't get. And do you know what? Yesterday, like Theo posted a video of 3 hours long about vibe coding. right? And I watched like an hour and a half of it and decided that it was too much of content that I'm consuming. Theo Vibe Coding. Yeah, this one. This video is 2 hours 55 minutes long. And in this video, Theo actually said that you're not going to be good at YouTube if you don't obsessively watch hours and hours and hours of content. If you don't consume content, you're not going to be good on YouTube. And that is something that really like, it resonated with me. I was like, I watch YouTube like 40 hours, 44 hours a day. Not a day, sorry, not a day, a week. So I do treat it like a full-time job. Where is my phone? And probably why, like this is why I am aware of so many things that is happening on YouTube, how the audience is behaving, what the current trends are, and you know, all of that. And I just use it in my content. Damn, where is my phone? 1 second, let me. Them lifestyle YouTubers be selling fake hopes. Actually, this is the point that Ishan made, that he doesn't sell anything. No, that's not how this works. Even in a video title, if you say earn money with data analyst, earn money with AI, whatever, all of it is dream selling. 44 hours a day. No, not 44 hours a day. Sorry. Now, what kind of emojis are these? Her videos are money making videos, so I think CPM is around 70 plus INR. Yep, but that's apparently something that people are starting to hate. People don't like clickbait anymore. How do I speak with fluency? I think it's practice, bro. See, the reality of my English that you hear from me is that I've been listening to English songs since I was in class 9. This was back in the day when cassettes were a thing, when cassette players, you know, you got these bulky cassette players and you had a collection of cassettes. And yeah, that was normal in my time. So back then, like, I discovered Linkin Park and Linkin Park's song Crawling and Numb. These were the two songs, and Zombie from Cranberries. Cranberries. Is that the name? Zombie song. Cranberries. Yeah, so, man, it was named Cranberries. Oh, the Cranberries. Okay. This was the song that I heard in Standard 9. So, see, this song is 15 years ago on YouTube, but actually the original release date, I don't know. But apparently this was a huge deal back in my day. So since then, I've been listening to English songs. And that kind of helps. When you sing along and you know the lyrics and you find out what the lyrics are, it does help a little bit. After that, I jumped into TV series. I started watching movies with subtitles because obviously I was not good at making out what was being said without subtitles. So I did that for a long time. After that, I got rid of subtitles and started watching movies just like that. Just to challenge myself that I should know what they're saying. Their accents, like Scottish accent, Australian accent, English accent, American accent, and all of that. And that helped me over the years. I have consumed tons and tons of TV series when I was in college, when I was in graduation, when I was in high school. So all of that, it helped me get my fluency up and running. So practice. It will take a ton of time to master fluency in English. You will be brutally roasted by your friends. The moment you make a grammatical mistake, you will be. Like they will be like, ha, dehati, gawar, go back to your village and just stay there. React to DiceDB. I actually watched DiceDB. This is, I think
my name
even
is
talked about it in my last video. This is a good video because this is like a Redis equivalent, and you get your key value things, and then it is like a reactive approach as well, where if you subscribe to a key in Redis, then DiceDB will inform you that some value has been changed. You will get a real-time notification. You just talked, not reacted. Yeah, I know. There is nothing much to react here because pretty much Arpit Bhayani, one of the Indian creators that I respect, because he is posting, and he's actually creating tools, and he actually talks intermediate level coding, made this tool which is very good,
making it well suited for modern workloads. By the way, if you
I just have a question, like there has to be some sort of performance benchmarks is all right, but it really has to be used by developers, and only then they can say what they think about it. Like with Redis, I don't see an issue with Redis. I just don't. It's fine. So developers will have to use this. They'll have to create projects around it and deploy it even, and only then we can find out if it is worth it. React to that one little kid who codes for 40 minutes. 40 minutes. 40 minutes is nothing, bro. You remember original iPod Classic with touch wheel? That was the best looking device ever. I actually don't. I remember Sony Walkman. Sony Walkman. Images. I remember this one. This one, this is the one device that one of my cousin sisters got, and I was so envious of her. Like the earphone length looks very short here, but it's actually a long earphone. It wasn't as short as seen in the image, but it was like a pen structure of Walkman, and you can like put USB on this side of it, and then you can transfer songs into it, and then you can listen to it. This was one of the things that got me envious of my cousins. Then we also had those CD players, like pocket size CD players, where the earphones would be like in your ear, and then a whole ass CD player in your pocket, and you could like put CDs into it, and you can listen to songs. Try watching the video by WebDev Cody on Vibe Coding. There is nothing to react here. I feel like this is a good thing that he has done for the open source community, and obviously he made it very clear on Twitter that he doesn't want to make any money out of this. Please watch it full. Totally off topic, but react to this Valorant team announcement of Indian esports. Judge the production quality.
Great magic.
Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted. This is just gameplay footage, isn't it? That's all right. Okay, so WebDev Cody, right? WebDev Cody. Vibe coding actually sucks. Now, why does it suck?
Found out about called vibe coding, and honestly I didn't know what this was until I did a live.
Jensen Huang showed off a robot on stage. I hope that this is a short. Nvidia's AI robot Blue stunts with live interaction. Oh damn. This looks like one of those Wall-E movies sort of thing. This is nice.
Tell me that wasn't amazing. Hey, Blue. How are you doing? How do you like your new physics engine? You like it, huh? Yeah, I bet. Can you imagine?
Ah, I see. Disney.
Imagine just now what you were looking at is complete real-time simulation. This is how we're going to train robots in the future. Blue has 2 computers, 2 NVIDIA.
Is this real or is this CGI? Because why does it feel like CGI? Right?
Computers inside. Look how smart you are. Yes, you're smart. Okay. Let's finish it up. We have another announcement. You're good. You're good. Just stand right here. Stand right here. That's good. All right, stand.
Okay, so interaction meaning that you tell it to do things, and yeah. I thought that this robot was speaking English. Nvidia just changed robotics forever with Groot N1. See it in action. They had people taking videos of it from the audience. Oh, okay, okay. So this is real. Okay.
Live stream, and people started asking me what do I think about it. So this is what we're going to be doing in this video. And after doing a little bit of research into this terrible name for what it is, Basically, vibe coding is you code without knowing about the code.
I fell into this trap of desiring a good flagship phone because my friends are using it. But deep in my heart, I know that I don't need to waste that amount of money for a mobile phone. Art stream. Yeah, today I'm streaming because I really want to get my audio's issues fixed. So this is the title of the stream. Please help me know when my audio is not good, because I'm kind of bummed out that my Ishan Sharma situation video had some audio issues. That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy.
Right? You code without touching the code. And so how do you do that? You can either, I guess, type into a prompt. I think people are saying you can actually use like diction. So like I could turn on diction and start talking, and this could be the way I can talk to the AI. I've done a video of this like 6 months ago or something, even more than that, and it just, the results were not really good. All right, so let's start simple. I have a Vite app created, so it's going to be a React single page application. The reason I did that is I think typically when you start adding on stuff like Next.js or TanStack, the AI struggles to do simple things, and I don't want to waste much time like configuring.
It makes me really sad sometimes. I feel like that is a materialistic thing. People do judge each other based on the mobile phones that they have. And if it makes you feel any better, I have an Asus ROG Phone 5S. The latest version of this ROG phone is ROG Phone 9. So I'm like 4 generations behind at this point already. And the time that I bought this phone, ROG Phone 5 was already 2 generations behind the latest one, which was ROG Phone 7, 7 Pro, 7, something like that. Now it is 9. But I still use this. And my other phone, let me show you. This is the phone that I have. This is a Redmi 12 5G. The only reason I got this phone is because I was disappointed with how my 40,000 rupees got wasted by Asus ROG phone. So this is like a webcam only phone for me now. And this phone has 5G, and this phone has a earphone slot, 3.5 mm. This is why I bought this for 11,000 rupees. Who cares, man? Why do I need the shiny iPhone worth 2 lakh rupees? Because once you get the iPhone, now you need the Apple Watch, now you need the AirPods. Before you know it, you will buy a MacBook Pro. Like, fuck that. I don't like it. Hey Tushar Gaurav, welcome back, bro. Bro spent 40k on a phone. CL DVD, DVD spent on Google Pixel. Could have spent on Google Pixel. I know I could have. Google Pixel, does it have 3.5 mm jack? I don't think so. I don't like the Bluetooth earphones thing. I don't like it. All fun till those eyes turn red. Yeah. But a robot, like a small robot like that, what damage could it do really? Pixel 9a launch hua. Oh, okay.
To know how to build a React app. I'm gonna move my head down here real quick. I think it just gives more real estate to view what's going on the right. Okay, so we're gonna make a 3D game, and it's gonna be using React 3 Fiber. So let's.
Do you know what I don't like about this? Is that the ability of vibe coding is not in question. I feel like the ability is not in the question. The question is in the fallacies. It's in the philosophy of vibe coding. That's where the issue is. Discuss that. Why do you need to show off what vibe coding looks like? Then why did you buy an expensive laptop? Because this is my butter and bread. That is why. 2022, when I was upgrading from my laptop, and I will show you what laptop I used to have right here. This is the laptop that I used to have, an HP laptop. Actually, let me make myself bigger so you can see better. There you go. This is the laptop that I used to have. For seven years, I used this thing. Look at this trackpad. This black spot that you're seeing on the trackpad. This was the result of me using it that much. So this laptop works even now. This is actually fine. The reason that I don't use this anymore is because this is already in use for 7 years. I already used it from 2014 to 2021. and I bought this for 40,000 rupees in 2014 or 2015, I can't remember. So 7 years of usage. This laptop has i5 and Nvidia, I can't remember which graphics card. So I played so many games on it. I played the GTA 5 PC version on this one. I played Arkham Asylum, I played Arkham City, I played Arkham Origins, I played Tekken PS2 simulation games on this. And yeah, this laptop, it lasted me a long time. So this laptop lasted me a long time. So when in 2022 I was like, I have to get a new one, I thought state of the art machine, straight up. Because this laptop, I'm thinking like I'm gonna be using it for 10 years at least before I get a new one. So this one I bought in 2022, already 3 years now. I need to run this laptop for another 7 years, which is fine. I think Nvidia RTX 3080 will hold up 7 years from now even. I should be able to play the latest games. No, Vaikun, today is not Saturday. Today is Thursday. The reason that I'm here is because of my audio issues. This bugged me. Last time that I did that Ishan video, the audio issues is not something I want to carry on. So I wanted to get this fixed ASAP. Do you know James Scholes? No, I don't, Anup, sorry. Mir EXE, first time on the stream. Welcome, bro. Nvidia 710. No, it wasn't Nvidia 710. I think it was like Nvidia 640, 650. Yeah. Even single frame generation. By the way, DLSS 4.0 will be backwards compatible. Oh, nice. Yeah, with DLSS, you will be able to use 3080 for years. So yeah, 7 years. 7 years I'm thinking of using this laptop. Let me make myself smaller. There you go. Thanks, bro. 7 years. A phone having a good battery backup and camera, other features at 20-25K will be nice. Yeah. What is your favorite Linux distro? It is Ubuntu, bro. I don't use Arch. I haven't installed it or whatever at this point right now. What's up, bro? Just saw the title. What issue are you facing? I guess it is fixed now. Yeah. Audio issues. Yeah. Zorin OS. It is not my favorite because I haven't used it yet. I have only looked at the website. It seems good, but I have to actually install it on this Asus laptop. Only then I can try it out and I will know if I like it better than Windows. Install retro games on it with Steam OS. Nah, this laptop is fine, bro. The one that I'm using right now. Hi, and man, I thought you were a boomer and never played any games. Why? I'm a core gamer, bro. There are so many times in my streams that I talk about games. The path tracing one, last stream, G Demon 1 sent me about that Cyberpunk 2077. Yeah. Why don't you buy a PC? Because of portability. I need to close this laptop and take it with me wherever I go. I live in a rented apartment right now. And even in this apartment, there are 2 rooms, which I switch back and forth, which you may notice that this is the different room that I'm in. So moving around a PC, nah, get a laptop. That's better. Should I start a YouTube channel? Because I watched the Pathwise project freelance scam video. That is how I literally do my research before spending money on online purchases. Oh. I don't know if that should be your motivation. Your motivation should be the willingness to put yourself out there and talk about things that you really feel strongly about. That should be your motivation. Elementary OS, but these they have very few user base. Could be. By the way, that Deepak Prasad got roasted in the Tech Leads Telegram. He kept stating that Sid earns 90k per month even after many years of experience and he only knows PHP and Laravel. Others stated that knowing a niche stack is good and some even stated that 90k is such a good salary. Bro was deep fried by his own members. Good. That's actually good. It's crazy to me that you actually like do this. Did you check Grok 3? No, I didn't. Grok, I feel like that's only a feeling. I can't justify it why I think it's better than ChatGPT or whatever. But I did see it. I did find it a little better, just a little bit better, and it's unexplainable why I liked Grok better than ChatGPT or any other model. 90K with no tax on it is good. Yeah.
Let's think about what exactly the game should be. I think we could keep it simple, kind of like Minecraft is. So like reprompt it and refix the lint errors. I don't know if I have any more fast credits. Maybe that's why it takes so long. But okay, let me just accept this. I'm so tempted like to look at code when it generates code, but I can tell that it's already kind of like broken, right? All right, so we have a little box here. It's like jumping. You can't even see it from the background though. So I think we should probably prompt AI to change the background to be cubes that are like tiled with colors. This is good, but I cannot see any of the materials on the 3D objects. Could you change the plane to be a gradient? Go ahead and give it some big words so it has to think a little bit harder, a gradient, you know? But to be serious, I found if you give it...
Any of you know James Scholes in the chat? Okay, let me search this up. Do you know what? I don't like this. I don't like a tech demonstration of vibe coding. Talk about the fallacies, bro. It's fine. I feel like vibe coding can get you the result. That is why it is accepted, right? The act of vibe coding can actually result in something usable. But something, that is the point here. Going for a higher salary for better lifestyle is not wrong, but putting yourself forward to a salary is dumb. Hey, here we go. Dana Ramu is back with his banger takes. See, this is the thing, right? I don't attach my value based on my subscriber number or what salary I draw. Nothing. I just value myself based on the experience that I have gotten in the industry. That's all it is, and you can't take that away from me. There are people with 10 years experience who are making 50K, and I'm telling you this because I actually spoke to people working in my company when I was in Bangalore in 2018 or 2019, and I was thinking to myself, 10 years experience, 50K, yeah, all right, that's all right. At least his bills are getting paid. I did not judge it that much. It's only on YouTube when I came around, that's when I found out that everybody has this expectation that you should be making crores and crores just because you're a YouTuber. And this is where like this mentality I see happening. People say I make 90K, so it's a roast. How? What is even vibe coding? Explain. It's just giving into the vibes. Just let AI handle all the code. You're not altering the code by your hands. You're just prompting AI, and AI is just writing code in your IDE. That's all it is. That's the act of vibe coding. So it's just you vibing with the AI, being like, make it like this, bro, make it like this, bro, and the AI will, do it for you. By the way, I know the argument. Mark Zuckerberg said, move fast and break things. I hate that argument being brought up in vibe coding, seriously. Because you should move fast, but not that fast where you don't have an idea of what is going into production. You can ignore the bug, as the Y Combinator manager said, that sometimes people just ignore the bug. You can ignore it as a developer, sure. But the bad code that made it into production is going to cause monetary loss for the companies, and they can't just ignore it, right? That's the issue. Read that Abhijit's comment. People are saying Ishan Sharma is a scam. Wait for people to find out commerce and art colleges. Nah, disagree. By having project design issue in Discord, your opinion. Okay, I'll check Discord after some time, bro. I myself want a bigger salary because I want to travel a lot internationally and in the country, and that costs money. Okay, that is your priority. Okay, Danaramu, you want to travel, which is very individual choice. It's yeah. But I never thought that a bigger salary will give me peace. Oh, that is a controversial one. That depends on what you define as peace. If you want to spend time with your family, first of all, I can't say like if just because you have a bigger salary means that you will be spending 15 hours at the office. That's not how that happens. Look at managers. They make a ton of money and they only do 8-hour shifts, and they basically write some emails and do things like that. Being a developer, higher salary, there is a chance that you will be spending more than 8 hours at the office. And if you find that your bills are getting paid and you have enough money for your parents and your wife and kids can do things with that money, if you define that as peace, sacrificing that time, then I can say it is peace. But for your own peace, even a low salary can bite you in the ass, bro. Paying a low salary, employers don't see it as, I'm paying this guy 30K, so let's give him 6-hour shifts. That's not how that happens. It's all over the place, this sort of mentality. There is no vibe coding in it. Who coined this name? It's lame. It's actually Andrej Karpathy. He is a very respected software developer in the community. He coined the term. Vibe coding is good for a great developer to resolve mundane code tasks, that's all. But that is not how it is advertised. The problem is in the advertising. Everybody is getting told to vibe code. Whether you're a senior, whether you're a junior, whether you are somebody new getting into the industry. Everybody is getting told to vibe code. I think Karpathy coined vibe coding. Yeah, he did. This Ishan Sharma was at the NVIDIA event as well. Yeah, I know. He was. Video that seriously, my own video, I'm going to react like this is what we have come to. Wife angry again, lol.
I want to ask you.
Yeah, I saw this one. Such a generic question, such a generic answer. And Jensen Huang clearly looks like he just wants to, get off the camera. He just wants to run away. Trolled coders and CEO took it religiously. Because that's how management is. That is how management is. They give in to the marketing, they give in to the sales. It's all just a bunch of AI companies wanting to make money. And the bigger L has to be taken by freshers now. Less and less hiring, more and more software engineers wanting to get into the industry, but they are getting told that the industry doesn't need them because why? Everybody has AI now, so they can vibe code it. That's where I feel like the bigger problem is. Play this short, didn't see it.
What is your biggest advice for people who want to build a startup or do something in the space of AI and hardware in India?
Work hard.
I want to ask you.
Work hard and it ends immediately. I'm telling you, this guy looks like he wants to run.
What is your biggest advice for people who want to build a startup or do something in the space of AI and hardware in India?
Work hard.
I want to ask.
The guy got 10 seconds with him and couldn't even ask a good question. And this is the insecurity that I see in Ishan. He has done so much. He has met the people, like Ashneer Grover or whatever. And still he feels a little bit insecure about that he needs to tell us that he has done all of these things. Saptatirtho. Welcome to the stream, bro. Have a look at what Linus Torvalds have said about AI. This is an old video. This is like an old opinion. This is like out of the algorithm now. My YouTube recommendation is really weird. Jensen smirking. Yeah. Linus Torvalds actually has a neutral take on AI. He's not pro AI, he's not anti AI, he's like, we'll wait and find out what will happen. Food farmer. Oh, do you know this? Oh, this is a podcast. Okay. I think this is the guy that got into beef with Bonvita, isn't it? This is the guy that said that there is so much sugar in these products, we should not buy it. Or there we go, ban packaged food, Bonvita and Maggie. Yep, this is the guy. I remember him. Massive win, yeah. Maggie ketchup made this positive change. They lowered the sugar contents. Yeah. It takes balls, really. You don't know Food Farmer. Actually, I know the guy. I don't know the name Food Farmer. My question, Nate. Why would Jensen reveal the secrets to his possible future competitors? That's a good one. Somebody should launch CEO AI agent. We are not far from that. We are not far from that. How to build the future, Elon Musk. Shut up. Sometimes this coding industry, this tech industry makes steps that makes no sense. It really doesn't. Manu Arora, how to get high paying clients. I want to react to this. I actually want to see this. Hey, Madhukar Verma, welcome back. Said it's 90% hype and 10% reality. Oh, that one. Yeah. Hitesh reacted on it. I saw it. And you know what? I'm telling you now, Chai or Code is planning to not put coding videos on their YouTube channel for free anymore. And they are actually privatizing the videos that they had previously put for free. It's really happening. The video where he talked about getting attacked from all sides, he went through a DDoS attack scenario. And the solution that they have found to counter that, and that's not the only thing, there are lawsuits, there are fake reviews and all of that. The solution that they have arrived to is put everything behind a paywall, the coding things and coding lectures or whatever, and just cover the news on their channel. So expect more videos like that from Hitesh from now on. Did you know Lisa Su, AMD CEO and Jensen are somewhat related? Could be. Bro, Gaurav Sain's kid name is Elon. He is from Kolkata too. Gaurav Sain, I don't respect the guy. It makes so much sense. The guy is the way that he is. Distant cousins, I guess. Could be. Why do people think that AI will only replace tech jobs? Because management has some sort of beef with software developers, it seems like. Only software developers. The one job that AI is most likely to replace, and on paper it actually makes sense, is the teacher's profession. There is so much content on YouTube about teaching. Just take that. There are so many articles about teaching concepts. Just take that. There are so many Stack Overflow articles. Just take that, combine all of it, feed it into an AI, and boom, you got the perfect teaching assistant. You don't need teachers anymore. But has that happened? No, that hasn't happened. Same way, it's not going to happen for software developers. Companies can try it out. They can say that, oh yeah, we don't need software developers anymore. And 2 or 3 years from now, when every software blows up, then they will realize that, yeah, we got sold a dream and we fell for it. 69,420, nice number. Okay, so let's, 1 second. Yeah, so let's react to this one. Thanks for pronouncing my name correctly. I'm from Silchar, Assam. Welcome to the stream, bro. I mean my comment. You missed it. Oh. Let me see. Nate. Play this short. Didn't see it. A guy doing BTech in mechanical engineering wants to get high-end computer. He is a day scholar and doesn't need to carry at least for 3 years. What should he go for? PC or a lappy? I still feel like laptops are the way to go. It seems like I have a bias towards laptops. So it could be me telling you this, but yeah, laptop. It's my opinion. You can agree or disagree. It's alright. Day versus night. God versus man. Kirat versus Sid. Yeah, sure. First react to this fully dog. Oh, hey, Wave Prime. Wait, did you watch the start of Downfall of Ishan Sharma with the video from Part 5 project? Yes. We did an entire reaction video on it 2 days ago, bro. Not gonna lie, I'm hoping for that day to come so that we can stream and react to it. Yeah. Laptop detected, opinion rejected. Sure. Why not, Abhijit?
तो कोडिंग वीडियो नहीं है ये, it'll be a video on freelancing or specifically positioning in freelancing, because I really wanted to focus on this aspect of freelancing as well, because this is not talked about much, but इसका impact बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकता है. मेरे freelancing career में बहुत था, और मेरी जब मैंने agency.
Oh, okay, everybody on stream right now. Is the video volume and my volume the exact same? Please confirm. Wave Prime and Arindam, Abhijit, Saptatirtho, Nate, please. Okay.
बना लिया जब भी जो मैंने इंस्टेंटली बनाया, उसमें भी इसका बहुत सारा हेल्प है, या कह सकते हैं कि इसने मेरे को अपना गेम स्टेप अप करने में हेल्प किया. दिस थिंग इज कॉल्ड पोजीशनिंग. आई वांट टू टॉक अ बिट अबाउट पोजीशनिंग इन दिस वीडियो एंड आई विल कीप दिस वीडियो वेरी शॉर्ट एंड वेरी टू द पॉइंट. मैं इस वीडियो में बात करना चाहता हूं कि पोजीशनिंग क्या होती है, आप अपने आप को पोजीशन कैसे कर सकते हैं एज एन एक्सपर्ट, और हाउ पोजीशनिंग कैन हेल्प यू एक्चुअली इंक्रीज योर रेट्स एंड गेट यू मोर वर्क डाउन द रोड. तो पोजीशनिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे. आपने वीडियो का टाइटल पढ़ लिया, पोजीशनिंग क्या होती है. तो पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं कि पोजीशनिंग होती क्या है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ अ क्लाइंट कम्स टू यू, पहले तो एक क्लाइंट आपके पास आ रहा है, दैट मींस योर पोजीशनिंग इज गुड. पोजीशनिंग होती क्या है.
The client is coming at you already unrealistic. Already the people who have been applying on Upwork for such a long time are now alienated. But okay, let's assume that this is the case.
पोजीशनिंग कुछ नहीं है, बेसिकली आप दूसरे
Vaikunt, I will get to that. I'm gonna allow this.
बंदे को कैसा दिखाते हो कि आप क्या आदमी हो, आपकी पर्सनालिटी क्या है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ समवन विजिट्स माय ट्विटर प्रोफाइल, हाउ डू आई पोजीशन माई सेल्फ कि उस बंदे को देखते ही कॉन्फिडेंस आए कि ये मेरा काम कर सकता है नहीं कर सकता. सिर्फ यही डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर होता है एक फ्रीलांसर को हायर करने में. क्योंकि मैंने हायरिंग की है, मैंने बहुत लोगों से बात की है जिन्होंने मुझे भी हायर किया. जब भी कोई काम क्लोज हो रहा होता है, मैं अपने क्लाइंट से यही पूछता था पहले कि व्हाई डिड यू हायर मी, व्हाई डिड यू चूज मी फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्राउड. उसमें कुछ दो चार.
Please don't ask this. Please don't. Massive red flag for the employer. Please don't make them second guess their choice. Please don't do this. First of all, let's assume that the client is approaching you. So if that is happening, then you already know that they will select you, because they are the ones approached you. Like, why am I explaining that? Okay, fine. So when they do hire you and your deal is closed, just shut the hell up and get to work. Don't ask these emotional or manipulative type questions like, oh, what did you see in me? Why did you choose me? Don't do this. Don't do this.
चार चीजें आती थी, कॉमन होती थी बहुत सारी, तो मैं बताऊंगा आपको वीडियो में आगे क्या है. फिलहाल पोजीशनिंग की बात.
Rajesh, the coding guy, are you planning to behave normally, or are you still planning to act like a bitch? Be clear. I think he meant after the work is done. Still don't do it. Still do not do it, because once you complete a project, there is a very massive chance that they will give you a second project. So don't make them second guess their choice. Let your work speak for itself. That's it. Let them decide how well you worked. Don't go out of your way to ask them that.
करें तो पोजीशनिंग ये होता है, हाउ डू यू पोजीशन योरसेल्फ, मतलब आप अपने आप को कैसे रखते हो ऑल ओवर द इंटरनेट, नॉट ओनली ऑन ट्विटर बट ऑन लिंक्डइन और वेरेवर यू टॉक अबाउट एनी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म. हाउ यू वांट टू पोजीशन योरसेल्फ इज यू वांट टू पोजीशन योरसेल्फ एज एन एक्सपर्ट. डजंट मैटर इफ यू आर एन एक्सपर्ट और नॉट इन दैट फील्ड, बिकॉज यू विल नेवर बी कॉन्फिडेंट, यू विल नेवर थिंक दैट यू आर द एक्सपर्ट इन दिस फील्ड. या जिस भी फील्ड में आप हो, अगर आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा नॉलेज है तो आप बहुत ही कम, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आप एक्सपर्ट हो. ये सब में होता है, ये बड़े से बड़े आदमी में होता है. जिसको लगता है ना कि उसको सब आता है, एक्चुअली उसको कुछ नहीं आता. जिसको ये लगता है कि उसको बहुत कम आता है, उसने एक्चुअली इतना सारा पढ़ रखा होता है कि उसे ऑलरेडी पता है कि पढ़ने को इतना ऑलरेडी है, इतना मैंने पढ़ लिया है और मेरे को अभी भी कितना सारा कवर करना है, तो नहीं हो पाता. बट व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू लैंड अ फ्रीलांस client, always position yourself as an expert. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आपको कोई बंदा बोल रहा है या कि आपके पास कोई लीड आ रही है, वो आपको बोल रही है कि I want an XJS guy or whatever, you don't want to say like I'll try my best to deliver it. Yeah, I haven't done this before. I'll try my best. Yeah, I'll give my 100% even if I don't fetch results.
Fair. That is fair. You don't want to make them second guess their opinion about you. That's a fair advice. Don't undermine yourself in front of the client. Work the hardest that you can, like figure out things and do your work, but don't do this. Yeah, that is a fair advice. Have you watched Severance? Nah. No work today, bro. No, there is work today, but fixing audio issues was the bigger agenda today.
I'll return the money. खुद ही नहीं करनी, सीधा बोलना है यस आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट. मतलब आपको अपनी स्किल्स पे कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए, और जब आप कॉन्फिडेंस एग्जिबिट करते हो तो आपका क्लाइंट इवेंचुअली भी कॉन्फिडेंस को फील करता है. दे फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट इन यू, दे ट्रस्ट यू मोर. कोका कोला मेरे को स्पॉन्सर नहीं कर रही, लेकिन वो करना चाहिए. उनकी डाइट कोक पी के मेरा पेट भर आ रहा है. सो व्हाट यू वांट टू डू इज यू वांट टू पोजीशन योरसेल्फ एज एन एक्सपर्ट इन एनी फील्ड, फ्रंट एंड, बैक एंड, फुल स्टैक, डेवऑप्स, डिजाइन इंजीनियरिंग, डेवरेल, एसआरई, व्हाटएवर द चॉइस ऑफ योर करियर इज, या जो भी आप जिस भी करियर में हो, करियर पाथ आपका जो भी है, उसमें आप पोजीशन.
Fake it till you make it. I feel like that's an over exaggeration. If you're talking to a client one-on-one, I think it's fine to exaggerate a little bit. your skill. Actually, I'm not even telling you to exaggerate your skills. Just tell the client, I'll get it done. That's it. That's all you need to say. Don't try to show off in front of the client saying that, oh, it's easy, I'll just do it like that. Don't do it either. Just be professional. Just say, yeah, I'll get it done. That's it.
Position yourself as an expert. So once you start positioning yourself as an expert, होता क्या है कि you start attracting more people, you start gaining attention. Understand this, if you're not creating something or if you're not providing value, ये attention economy बोलते हैं इसको. जितनी ज़्यादा attention आपके पास में है, उतना आपके ज़्यादा chances है काम आने के या client work आने के. आपने अपने आप को expert position कर लिया, आपकी Twitter profile भी उसको exhibit करना चाहिए, आपकी LinkedIn profile भी, आपका YouTube channel भी, आपका Instagram channel भी, जो भी आपके पास में है, या आपका Upwork account, Fiverr account, सब जगह आपको एक expert की तरह act करना है और individual level पे आपको ये भी समझना है कि आप हो. इसको back करने के लिए 2-4 चीजें लगती हैं. Now how do you position yourself as an expert? आपके पास proof of work होना चाहिए. सबसे पहली चीज ये है. Once you have proof of work, you can actually back that claim कि आप एक expert हो उस field में. For example, if you say you have considerable amount of experience in React, Next.js या design engineering in general, you should have solid proof of work, either working SaaS or products so good, so polished that your employer or future client gains more confidence कि भाई हाँ इसका proof of work है, जो ये बोल रहा है वो दिख रहा है. Confidence solidifies, develops और वो double down.
Why do I feel like this is a advice video for already existing freelancers? This is not advice for new freelancers. They don't have proof of work. They can only showcase what they have made in their local host when they had free time in college or whatever. Is it a good decision to pay for connects in Upwork? No, it's not. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. I can't say. I haven't done it. But yeah.
डाउन कर लेता है उस चीज पे एंड देन इवेंचुअली गेट हायर्ड. तो सबसे पहली जो उसमें चीज होती है होता है प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क. आपका कितना बैकिंग है काम का आपके क्लेम्स को बैक करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जांपल आप एक्सपर्ट बोल रहे हो खुद को. एक तो होता है कि काम नहीं किया और हवा में जाके मैं एक्सपर्ट हूं, मेरे को सब आता है, दुनिया का राजा मैं, ये सब नहीं चलता. एक्सपर्ट खुद को बोल रहे हो तो बैकिंग होनी चाहिए. बैकिंग आती है प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क से. दूसरा, हाउ डू यू कैरी आउट कम्युनिकेशंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय कम्युनिकेशंस इज, फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पास कोई रीच आउट कर रहा है, हाउ डू यू हैंडल दैट इंटरेक्शन इज वन वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेटिंग दैट यू आर एन एक्सपर्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ समवन रीचेस आउट टू मी, हे मनु आई लाइक योर वर्क, योर स्टडी दिस थिंग इज अमेजिंग एंड वी हैव बीन लुकिंग एट यू फॉर व्हाटएवर, जो भी मेरे को आते हैं. अब मैं उसको बोलूं, हो थैंक यू सो मच, मुझे तो मजा आ गया आपका मैसेज देख के और मैं ये कर दूंगा वो कर दूंगा. कुछ नहीं करना होता है. आपको सीधा बोलना होता है, थैंक्स फॉर रीचिंग आउट, इंटरेस्टेड इन वर्किंग विद यू और हेल्पिंग यू आउट व्हेनेवर यू ट्राई टू win big ticket clients. You never say that I'd love to work with you. You always say that.
Okay, that has nothing to do with big ticket clients. That has nothing to do. You should act professionally nonetheless, whether it's a low ticket client. I don't see how this advice is set to give you high paying clients. Like, I don't see it. Maybe because I am always professional. So maybe there are people out there that act a different way when a bigger client approaches them. Not sure. I'm not sure.
You'd love to help them out with their work. For example, अगर कोई आ रहा है मेरे पास में अपना लैंडिंग पेज लेके कि इसको फिक्स करना है, तो आपको ये बोलना, श्योर, I'd love to help you out with this. This is my calendar link. I mean, your processes should be streamlined. For example, communication भी थोड़ी बात करना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे कोई क्लाइंट आपके पास रीच आउट करता है या आप किसी को रीच आउट करते हो, always have a calendar link. Even though I don't take calls, I still have a calendar link just in case client is potentially big. If they are interested in getting onto a call, by all means do it. If you're starting out, मैं नहीं करता, मैं पहले बहुत करता था, लेकिन अब मैं नहीं करता. लेकिन if you're starting out or if you're somewhere in the middle, I suggest you have a calendar link so that they can schedule a call at their convenience. आपके साथ कॉल पे आ जाए, stuff like that could happen. Second is, how do you carry out the communications? How professional you are, how clearly you are able to communicate, and how straightforward you are upfront. एक तो जिन को लगता है कि पैसे कम चार्ज करने से क्लाइंट सेटिस्फाई हो जाता है, इट इज क्वाइट द ऑपोजिट. जो क्लाइंट अगर कम पैसे करवा के आपसे काम करवाना चाह रहा है, पहले तो यू डोंट वांट टू टेक दैट क्लाइंट, बट इफ यू आर एट द इनिशियल स्टेजेस एंड यू हैव टू टेक इट, डोंट डू इट एट द एब्सोल्यूट बेयर मिनिमम. थोड़ा ज्यादा चार्ज करो, बिकॉज़
This is for existing freelancers. I feel like this is not a video for new freelancers.
दो बॉल क्लाइंट्स का होता है. एक होता है क्लाइंट $100 वाला जो बोलता है कि मेरे को ये भी चाहिए, मेरे को वो भी चाहिए, ये नहीं हुआ, ये फीडबैक नहीं है, ये वो बढ़िया नहीं लगा, ये वो. और एक होता है क्लाइंट $10,000 वाला जो बोलता है ये ले पैसे, मेरे को काम करके दे, डेडलाइन तेरी, टाइम तेरा, जगह तेरी, डांग मेरा, सब. वो सब जब हो जाता है तब वो आता है कि भाई अपडेट्स क्या है. अगर उससे पहले ही आप दे दो तो बेस्ट. ऐसे क्लाइंट के साथ काम करना आपका गोल होना चाहिए अगर आप लॉन्ग टर्म फ्रीलांसिंग या आगे चल के अपनी एजेंसी खोलना चाहते हो इन दिस फ्रीलांसिंग वर्ल्ड. तो कैलेंडर लिंक होना चाहिए. दूसरा, योर कम्युनिकेशन शुड बी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, टू द पॉइंट, नो कुकी कटिंग, एंड इट शुड बी एब्सोल्युटली सिंपल. नो कुकी कटिंग थिंग्स आउट देयर, सिंपल, स्ट्रेट टू द पॉइंट. सारी चीजें कम्युनिकेटेड होनी चाहिए अपफ्रंट, सारी चीजें ऑन द पॉइंट होनी चाहिए, सारी चीजें ईदर ओवर ईमेल होनी चाहिए.
Straight to the point. It means professional. Yeah, speak in a professional way. Yeah, that's all it is. Why you don't know now to talk to your viewer? You only talk in rude way. Why you even expose every tech YouTuber? Huh? What the hell? I'm not exposing him. I'm just reacting to him. I don't. See, that's your problem now, Doraemon. If you think that I'm here to criticize this guy or whatever, that's your issue. I'm just reacting to it. I'm just placing my thoughts on it. Bro thought background music was played IRL. Yeah, I thought that. Yeah. I actually started looking around like, what's happening? Hey Mana, welcome back, bro.
और ओवर सम रिटन फॉर्म ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन होनी चाहिए. कल को क्लाइंट तुम्हारा बोल दे कि 1 लाख की बात हुई थी, अब बात तुम्हारी फोन पे हो रखी है, तुम्हारे पास कोई प्रूफ नहीं है. डजंट वर्क इन द लॉन्ग रन. मेक श्योर आपकी प्रोसेसेस शुरू से ही डिफाइंड हो, एटलीस्ट सम बेसिक फॉर्म ऑफ आपके पास में हो. ऑलवेज चार्ज क्लाइंट अपफ्रंट, ईदर इट इज 30-50. आई चार्ज 100% because I'm in that point in my career that I can. If you're starting out, take at least 20 or 30%, even 15% is fine. But
There you go. Where he said that I'm at that point in my career. There you go. He's actually speaking from his own perspective, how he deals with clients now. Okay, but this video doesn't say existing freelancers positioning for freelancers guide 2025. This does not say beginner or expert. So I feel like this video is not clickbait. I'll give him that.
20, 30, 40.
But I think some freelancers who are starting out will assume that these are the things they should be doing. The one point that he said about low ball clients or whatever, it's just a reality of freelancing. You have to position yourselves a little bit cheaper in the beginning, at least. You can't be like, I just started freelancing 2 months ago and now I want $10,000 for this landing page. Can't do that, because the client will immediately think, oh, let's just because the client sometimes they do weigh out the options that they have. Even when they reach out to you, they still have some options in their hands other than you. So you will place a quote and then somebody else will place a quote, and they will weigh out who is the better fit here. Sometimes the budget is the deciding factor, it is the deal breaker, yeah. But I think Manu Arora is in such a position where he's established now. So he can actually ask for higher pays compared to somebody who's just starting out. Yeah, why would a client approach if you are a newbie? You will have to grind to get those initial clients, and then maybe you'll have a few clients approaching you via word of mouth or something. But initially, nah. Yeah, fair. Yeah.
40, 50, whatever works for you. Every time you talk to a new client, raise your prices. ये सारी चीजें मैं पिछले वीडियो में बता चुका हूँ, इसमें नहीं बताऊंगा. इसमें I want to focus on positioning. Once you have these things sorted out within communication, I think you can able to clearly communicate that you're an expert and you value your time more. कभी भी ऐसे ये नहीं चाहिए. You should be available at all times कि भाई if client wants to communicate with you, you should be upfront. I mean, जितना जल्दी हो पाए उतना जल्दी करो is what I'd suggest. Initially, if you're starting out, you'll have to put in more time and more hours. This is not a 9 to 5 job because rewards are asymmetric, तो वो time भी demand करता है. So make sure you're able to reach out as soon as the client reaches you out. But if you can't do it, just drop a message or something. Be professional is what I'm trying to convey with all these points here. So first point was proof of work. तो आपके पास backing है. Second point is communication. Third point is you have something, some place, some sort of portfolio that the client can validate your proof of work. This can be Twitter or LinkedIn. These two are preferred, but if YouTube is there, if you create content, that is also amazing. I mean, video मैं भी कर रहा हूँ ना अभी, तो क्यों कर रहा हूँ? क्योंकि this works. This is another distribution channel for me. आपको वैल्यू मिल रही है, मेरे को वैल्यू मिल रही है. Win-win situation for both. मैं यहाँ पे ये बताने नहीं बैठा हूँ कि हाँ मैं समाज सेवा, मैं कोई समाज सेवा नहीं कर रहा. मेरा भी फायदा, आपका भी फायदा है. Win-win situation होती है, दोनों पार्टियां खुश रहती है, दोनों का काम चलता है बढ़िया. तो Twitter, LinkedIn, ये वाली चीजें करो. Proof of work हो गया, communication होता है. Quick recap. Positioning क्या होती है? कि you have to position yourself as an expert और आप कैसे खुद को अपने competitors से.
I think positioning only happens when you do get clients, when you are established. Only then you get the privilege of positioning yourself. Somebody starting out, they don't have positioning. They have nothing really. Why would a client approach a fresher? Yeah, but the video doesn't say fresher. I'll give him that. If the video contained the word beginner or starting out or something like that, then this would have been clickbait, according to my opinion. But this is not. This is fine. So let me actually look at the comments, what other people have been saying. बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया. थैंक यू मनु भाई. आइडिया मिल गया किक स्टार्ट करने के लिए, दिल से शुक्रिया. सो ही इज़ स्टार्टिंग आउट, ही इज़ अ स्टार्टिंग फ्रीलांसर. सो आई फील लाइक this guy should think about it. Pure brilliance, nah, I wouldn't.
Position करते हो.
Yeah, that's all right. He has, yeah. इसके video description में agency को link है. If you can check what clients he has worked with. Let's see. X, Instagram. No. I think that is the one thing that I have done. In all of my descriptions, you can find my Upwork profile link. I do this because somebody watching a Shopify Laravel or Shopify Node.js video decides that they want to hire me. One click description, boom, Upwork profile right there. So I have done this. So on my description boxes. What are these comments, da? Sure. Also, Doraemon, explain yourself now.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं वेबसाइट बनाता हूँ, एक्स बंदा वेबसाइट बनाता है और जेड बंदा वेबसाइट बनाता है. एक्स और जेड दोनों सेम वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं. मैं क्या डिफरेंट कर रहा हूँ? मेरे डिजाइन्स में टेस्ट है, मेरे डिलीवरेबल्स फास्ट है, मेरे पास ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस ज्यादा है. आई एम मोर अपफ्रंट, आई एम मोर प्रोफेशनल व्हेन इट कम्स टू कम्युनिकेशंस एंड डिलीवरेबल्स. अ फ्यू पीपल नो मी, सो दैट बैक्स अप माय क्लेम दैट आई एम एन एक्सपर्ट. जहां भी तुम जाओगे मेरे सेम बायो मिलेगा, सेम प्रोफाइल फोटो मिलेगी. हेल्प्स द क्लाइंट वैलिडेट दैट द पर्सन इज ऑथेंटिक. अब आपने लिंक्डइन पे लगा रखी है सूट और टाई बेल्ट में, ट्विटर पे आपने कच्चे में फोटो डाल रखी है. मैं यहाँ छोटे क्लाइंट्स की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन जो बड़े क्लाइंट्स होते हैं जनरली दे गो मोर विद ट्रस्ट. छोटे क्लाइंट्स आप वैसे भी ले लोगे 100 200 300 400 $500 वाले. व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज 10,000 15,000 $20,000 plus clients. They generally value trust more. If you're trustworthy more, if you're likable more, I think you'll make more money down the road. Coming back to the last point, which is places you can position yourself. और ये मैं चीज 1000 बार बोल चुका हूँ, तो मेरे को लिखने में भी बोर मारता है. Twitter is a place. It is genuinely an everything app. You can get clients, you can post in videos, you can interact with CEOs of companies. I mean, sky's the limit. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो उस पे. तो Twitter is my best bet.
Interacting with CEOs. I actually called out Kunal Shah, the CEO of Cred. I actually tagged him in a reply asking him to come on my podcast. I actually have questions about AI that I would like to ask him on camera, because this guy Kunal Shah, he's like, every now and then he posts something about AI, that AI will do this, AI is doing that, it is getting rid of this, it is getting rid of that, and I was getting pissed with every tweet of his. So I was like, tagged him and being like, come to my podcast bro, either your place or mine, your choice. From client, I mean any person who wants to outsource their work. Why would they hire a fresher freelance? No, they do hire fresher freelance. Don't be so dismissive. Sometimes that happens. Every freelancer, they start at some point, right? And the best way to start starting freelancing, in my opinion, is getting a full-time job. Start your career with a full-time job, so at least you have a resume that can say that I have worked in this company. So at least that way it gives you a little bit of weightage on your chances to land a freelance gig. Also, that does instill some trust in clients, that they can see your live work that you have done, so they can be like, okay, do we want to hire this guy? So best way to start freelancing is getting a full-time job, at least for 2-3 years. That's what I feel like. At least doing freelancing and doing a job is not that different, in my opinion. You still have to spend time both places. So why not get a stable salary every month and pay your bills that way? And then when it is time for you that you have created your network, you know enough people to land you gigs and clients and all, then get into it. Starting as a freelancer is scary, in my opinion. I don't see myself doing that. If I could, like in 2017 when I was about to start working, I knew the idea of freelance, it has always existed, but right out the gate I don't recommend it. But that's just me, that's coming from me. To be honest, he doesn't need to have experience down below. He already has a lot of distribution. He has a component library which has been covered by Fireship and others, and he's friends with Harkirat. He probably doesn't rely on YouTube for that much distribution. Could be, yeah. Yeah, he is well established. Yeah. AI is developing and doing everything while Cred is still making losses. That is why I tagged him on Twitter.
Share work. For example, I'll take an example of a design engineer. So if you're a design engineer and if you're trying to get more work, either a new job or more freelance work, high paying jobs or high paying freelance clients in general, this is one way of doing it. Now, what happens if you share, and what happens if you write threads or if you teach people how to be a better design engineer? That would be the best thing. अगर आप कोई चीज पढ़ा रहे हो ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं ये चीज आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ, आपके दिमाग में ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा कि यार इसने स्टडी वाई बनाया, प्रूफ ऑफ वर्क, इसको बात में आता है, कम्युनिकेशन, और ये हमें पढ़ा भी रहा है, थर्ड पॉइंट. तो तुम्हें ऑटोमेटिक लगेगा कि यार इसको क्या पता आता ही हो तो यू.
He's swearing so much. I'm thinking like, I'm just thinking about the time it takes to blur out his swears.
Start trusting me more. Eventually start to trust me more and follow me along, right? So that is what you want to build with the client as well. तो यही चीज आपको करनी है, आपको अपना काम बहुत ज्यादा शेयर करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप डिजाइन इंजीनियर हो तो आपको बताना है कि डिजाइन इंजीनियरिंग में.
But then wouldn't that overcrowd the platform? I feel like if everybody started sharing everything that they have been learning, then it's too much noise. The sheer number of freelancers is too high. Even full-time workers often look for freelance gigs. So that's another problem. Okay, I'm done with this one. Let me find the video that was posted above. This one.
Hey there, this is Akshat Madan
Oh.
and welcome back to a new video. And in this video, I'll be mostly telling my story of being a freelancer for around 2 years. I built projects for clients across the globe in the domain of mobile app development, web development. I wrote Python scripts. I
I wrote Python scripts. Like, what does that mean?
I built AI and computer vision projects. I started freelancing when I was in the fourth semester of my bachelor's in computer science and continued it till my final year. And after that, I transitioned into a full-time job. If you also are choosing to go ahead with freelancing in your college, then this amount is possible. And this is not a big amount or this is not a small amount. It is a good amount. At least it can think I am into a full-time job. And I'll be telling you the reasons why and how I transitioned from freelancing to full-time job and how easy it is. Do interviewers ask you questions on this, like why did you do freelancing? Why not corporate job just after graduation? And I did not choose to go ahead with on-campus placement. I did sit in the on-campus placement, but I did not join that company. I wanted to explore more in the startup space because I had been working with startups and founders for the 2 years of my college, and then I chose to work with the startup itself as soon as I graduated. We made around 20 lakhs in our college when we were doing freelancing, and this amount is not to motivate or demotivate anyone.
20 lakhs on what time span, bro? Is it an year? Is it just a month? What is it? भाई आज मैगी हो जाए. No bro, today is what? Today is Thursday. You know what, the things that I'm doing now. I have joined the gym again. Just last week I started. My chest is hurting so much right now because of the chest flies that I did. It actually gave me this pain in my muscles, pecs right here. So that is something I'm going through right now. I'm hoping more weightlifting will sort that out. I have increased my cardio because of this stomach that I have right now. I need to push that in a little bit. And I have decreased my caffeine consumption starting just today. Just today I drank like half the cup of tea. Yesterday and the days before that it was a full cup of tea. So I have decreased that as well because I found out that drinking that much tea is actually a reason for bloating. The gas, the caffeine, it suppresses your hunger and all that. So I'm decreasing that dosage as well. So, and Maggie is still one time a week. And yeah, I won't even eat Maggie on Saturdays. It's only a Sunday exclusive Maggie. And even on Sundays, like you have noticed that previously I used to eat like this much Maggie, but now it is down to just a cup of Maggie, a small bowl of Maggie. So I'm doing all of those things now, taking care of myself. I drink coffee morning, tea in afternoon and evening. Damn, that is too much. It's only twice a day for me now. Rajiv Talreja startup mafia video. What the?
I come from Bangalore. In every coffee shop, there are 3 tables pitching at any given point of time. And I can tell you, there's no head or tail. The guy is chasing, how will I raise my next round of funding? And there's a few elite who've cracked this model and it's become a nexus. Mera naam hai startup mein. Next round ho jayega tera, tension nahi. That's how the game works. So someone's looking pitch deck, proof of concept. People come and ask me, Rajiv, can you help me create my pitch deck? My pitch deck kyun chahiye? Just pick one of these guys, give them a 3%. He'll take care of everything else for you. I come from Bangalore.
Oh, such a bullshit take. I come from Bangalore. Shut the hell up. People can say anything on podcasts, man. This is insane. Sarson ke tel se massage. Again, can relate. Yeah, because 2025, January and February, I did not go to my gym. And I actually changed my gym. So it is a newer gym, a little bit expensive, 1,000 rupees a month. Kind of got a little bit heart attack when I heard the price, but I still got it because the equipment is quite nice. The gym is very spacious. I even shared it on Instagram. I feel like today is not Sunday. Yeah, it's not. Yeah. Mana gets it. Yeah. Lifetime 20 LPA. Oh, okay. I see. The thing is, Samir Raina must be his favorite comedian. Could be. The thing is, not everybody does it. A lot of people know that sharing their work on Twitter might help them, but not many do it, in my opinion. But even if they do, that is not a surefire way that it will get you money in freelancing. Nothing is guaranteed in this world, bro. Nothing. Keep stretching. Helps with muscle pain, at least for me. Body gets used to it. I'm not stretching, but I am doing cardio. I am focusing on cardio this time. On the treadmill, I do walk 1.5 kilometers on 5.5 kilometers an hour. 1 second, I'll be back. Yep, I'm back. On cardio, yeah. So cardio will help me burn off the fat. So yeah, there you go. Do jump ropes. Yeah, I do have it. Is it a unisex gym? Yes, yes. I drink water and lime juice. Nice. Bro went for some cardio. Nah. I think in Twitter people give more gyan than actual project info. Hey, don't call me out like that. Arindam, come on. The Maggie goat is live. Yep, yep. Feeling useless. What podcast clip with motivating background? E-lafda with door. Now it is a physical lafda, bro, not an e-lafda. It is actually very windy today, so my doors are getting slammed.
It is just as a reference that if you also are choosing to go ahead with freelancing in your college, then this amount is possible. And this is not a big amount or this is not a small amount. It is a good amount. At least it can cover your college expenses. And this did it for me. Plus my friend also, because we both were doing freelancing together. Whenever any client used to come, my friend used to take care of all the operations and logistics and managing the people who were working under.
Do you notice a theme here? Everybody says that the clients approach them. Nobody is saying that they had to reach out to clients. Little bit sus, not gonna lie. Is it a YouTube thing now? Where you just show off saying, oh, clients approach me? Not sure.
Under us, and I mostly took care of the implementation, the tech part. And this thing actually helped us a lot because we were like best friends, and when you're working with your friends, you don't realize that you're working. It is just like you're enjoying. So this actually helped us to build something and work with a lot of founders across the globe. Because I was good at tech, so I was taking care of the tech. He was good at design, ops, and managing people, so he was doing that. And because of this collaboration, only we were able to achieve this milestone. So let's start from the scratch, how I started. And in between, I'll be answering almost all of the questions that you guys have asked in my stories and in the comments. So first question is why I started freelancing and what can actually motivate you to start freelancing. So here I would say that you can or you should only start freelancing when you have mastered one skill. So that skill for me was mobile app development using cross-platform framework called Flutter. So in my first year, I started with Python because it was in our syllabus. So I built games, I built scripts.
Okay, so this is a little bit clickbait. If you title the video reality, then please get to the reality, bro.
I also built some data science projects. You are open in the community, you are showing the world what you are building, then people across the globe can watch you, not just your own country. People across the globe see your work and they reach out to you. So it becomes very important for an individual contributor or a freelancer to be social and focus on networking. So two takeaways from here. One is you have to master one skill. If you want to go into freelancing for web development, be a master of it. You cannot survive at all if you are just a beginner or an intermediate. Because most of the people on the internet are saying that, hey, just leave a job and start your own business, start freelancing. They are just fake.
Yeah, it doesn't sound nice. I fell on their knees and begged them to choose us. Yeah, fair. I think that is the theme on freelancing on YouTube now. It's a show off thing. Clients approach me. Yeah, like, yeah, really? Did he say that he had a team working under them? Damn. No, it's just one more guy. 2 guys in college did freelancing.
Gurus. You don't have to leave your job if you are not a master of one thing. Especially in the freelancing space, you cannot say that, hey, I did DS here, I did lead code, I can be a good freelancer, I can make 5 lakhs a month. No, that is not true. You have to be a pro hardcore developer if you are entering into freelancing for the software development domain. So point number 1, be a master of one thing or one skill. It can be tech, it can be non-tech, marketing, management, product management, AI, it can be anything, it can be blockchain, cloud, anything, but be a master of it. You should be better than 80 to 90% of the folks working in that space. Then only you can think of starting a freelancing career because here nobody is going to protect you. If you did one thing bad and if your client posts about you on the internet, nobody's going to reach out to you. So be better than most of the folks. Second thing, networking. You have to publish your work. And by publishing your work, I don't mean that you... So this whole, like I also learned Figma. I also learned product designing. So all of these skills actually help me become an individual contributor. Because when you are into freelancing, in a company, what happens? You are just hired for a dedicated role. If you're hired for writing a piece of code, you will be...
Is this a reality or is this a how to freelance video? I thought that he will get into some hard, cold truths.
About how will you do it. So this is a decision that you have to take. Next thing that comes is the places where you have to publish your freelancing profile or from where will you get clients, the sources, the lead generation, the clients, right? So Fiverr, no. Upwork, no. These things did not work for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna skip this. Try catch is the most important function. Yeah, obviously. I'm telling you, if you want motivation, just go to AI. It's the best motivator. I don't work off of motivation, bro. I work off of discipline. There's a difference. Motivation gives you this, I'm gonna change my life just tonight itself. 10 minutes later, you're on the bed scrolling Instagram reels. So, that's motivation for you. Discipline is just doing the same thing each day because, well, you're in the habit of doing it. So, discipline is a lot better in the long run rather than motivation. He said his friend managed the operation, logistics, and the team working under them. This is what I heard. Oh, okay. I guess I did not listen to it. Harkirat is not. Harkirat is so far gone now. $70,000 as a college student. How? Like, he's not even being subtle about it now. He's just taking money and smashing your face with it. Wait, how do you have premium? Yeah, I do have premium because obviously I'm a YouTuber, bro. I'm on this platform like what, 40 hours a week? Might as well pay for premium and not see the ads. And how do I have it? This is not a subscription. This is like a one-time payment. 1200 rupees it cost in India. So I feel like 100 rupees a month for YouTube that I watch for 160 hours. 160 hours worth of content for 100 rupees. I feel like it's alright for me. So yeah, that's why I have premium. How much do you pay? Use Brave. I already use Brave. But I use Brave for other websites ads to not show. But I still need to buy YouTube Premium. And the music app that comes along with it, I actually have it on this Asus phone and this phone. So all of the YouTube's music library is basically right here. So I can plug my earphones in when I'm on the road going somewhere and I can entertain myself that way. I don't like this free version of Spotify. Spotify actually sucks so bad. The songs that I really want to hear, they're just not there. And I also hear about this music label disputes with Spotify every now and then. That's why good songs get pulled off of Spotify, but YouTube doesn't have that problem. So I like YouTube music app as well. Arrested bhai, long time no see. Yes, Karoz 5000. You've been away for a long time. Welcome back. Hey Anna. I hope this is a reality. Deal with it. It's a YouTube reality. Yeah. I meant for those you need it. Who need it? Oh, okay. Motivation hits harder than discipline. Somebody got motivated to create Sati Pratha. What? $70,000 as a college student. Very genuine and believable. Trust me, bro. This is how like Kirat is so far gone now. Podcast is really a good way to, just get into creating more and more content on YouTube. Just when you run out of ideas, when you can't talk about anything anymore, just get into podcast. Just be like, I give up. I don't have content. Please, you come to my podcast and give me content. By the way, this is not meant to be directed to Technical Suneja. Yeah, he's a very wholesome guy. Oh. But it's not. Play song when we off phone. The best way you can earn off YouTube is by targeting the Western audience. Mind-boggling RPM. Yeah. Part of the reason why I speak in English, I think. But software development is done in English. And this is why I speak English here. Because when I used to make tutorials, obviously I spoke in English. So when I got into mainstream content, well, I just carried that over. I don't shift to Hindi content. Just one video on Hindi calling out Shwetab Gangwar. So, yeah. Dude, what are these recommendations? Haha, you have videos of every niche here. See? I'm a YouTuber, bro. I'm a YouTuber. I have Suits. I have Virat Kohli. I have Gordon Ramsay. I have Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I have Shark Tank. I have Mudahar right here. I have Conan O'Brien. I have iShow Speed, Sidemen. I have Podcast. I have Prime Time, obviously. I have Lakshay Chaudhary, obviously. I watch Lakshay Chaudhary. Yeah. I watch him so much. I do like his content style and the bluntness that he has. He's not afraid of saying anything. My junior, watch your video. You know him. I think you are also like other. But when I watch you, it's my best decision. I don't understand that. Like your junior said that I'm like the others and you don't feel that way? Is that what you mean? Wait, you called out Shwetab. Yeah, I did. It's about, it was about the India thing that he spoke about. That India is not in the race of AI development. And I got heated. It's actually one of the videos that lost me about 100 subscribers. Yeah. This is why like you would see 19.1k subscribers. The time that I made that video, it was 19.2k subscribers. I think that video has had a lot of influence on people to unsubscribe from my channel, and I actually got so many hate comments on it, saying that I just create controversy and all of that. And one of the other things that happened in that video is that I called out a tech lead as well, and he tried to be this Sigma Alpha Chad, commenting that he will give me response. I should have my water bottle ready with me. That never happened. He just pussied out of it. So that was the other thing that kept me entertained for a long time. No. I think you're like other YouTuber. You don't say, sir. I'm like other YouTubers, you think. Oh, okay. I feel like that is your own opinion. I don't feel I'm like other YouTubers. If I was, well, my behavior would have been so different. I would have been talking money. I would talk about recruitment. I would talk about, how to get a job and blah, blah, blah. But I don't do that. And every video of mine would have that YouTube anthem. Guys, please like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. I don't do that. Anyway. Did you see iShow Speed China trailer? Technical Suneja replied to WhatsApp DM. Yeah, he did. It's kind of downtime for him. His shoots are kind of paused right now. So he doesn't want to shoot anything, let alone a podcast with me. So he told me that he will reach out to me once his backlog of tasks gets solved and he starts his shoots again. So I feel like it got postponed 20 March. The podcast should have happened by now, but I'll wait for it. ABTV is so good, top tier content. I disagree with that a little bit, just a little bit. They made a video on AI and they spoke a bunch of things, and I just felt like this is such a slop video. And Varun Maya is the bigger part of ABTV. That guy is like, it's just video editing. That's all it is. Every video of his that I have watched, I felt like I didn't take anything away from it. There is no lesson, there is no learnings, there is no nothing. It's just a showcase of look at how many not front end, video editor we have, and what kind of animations we can do, and what kind of TV content we can produce. So that's what I feel like about AVTV. Hey Frederick, welcome back. Talk is different but behavior is same. Huh? Streams catch करना hard है EU timings से. That's why I'm not coming to your streams much. Yeah, no problem, bro. I also like Shwetab, but you are a good guy. Oh, thanks. But your statements were true. Yeah, but I did get heated up. I was angry, so you know. Yeah, Shweta even commented. Yeah, he did. नहीं, मैं पहले सोचा था कि अब नहीं तो मैं आपको अपना कॉलेज में प्रमोट करता हूँ. ओके, थैंक यू ब्रो. Oh, oh, you thought about me that way before. Oh, okay. Thanks. Sorry for my bad English. Nah, you can speak in Hindi. It's all right. Audio issues. Asus have got your back. We always have good audio problems. Join us on mission of spreading audio issues to every computer. Asus. Every computer who have audio issues. Nice. Nice. Asus ka full form. Nice. Anyways, I am back now. I will join strings from now on. Oh, I'm happy about that. Thank you. AV and full disclosure were mediocre from beginning. Full disclosure, I actually liked one video of theirs where they spoke about salary negotiations. I liked it. And one other video where they spoke about why product companies pay more than service companies. I was like, okay, this is good. Product companies call their developers talent, while service companies call their workers. That explains why the pay difference. Cybersecurity versus web dev. Please reply which is best. I recently passed class 12th, so I am very confused which to choose, as I want to earn well, as I am not a financial problem, and I am interested in COD. Bro, speak in Hindi if that makes you comfortable. But I can't answer which is better, really. Cybersecurity versus web dev. Money specific advice I can't give out, and neither domain specific advice. I don't know you, Frederick. I don't know who you are, where your interests are, what are you strong in. I have no idea. I can't tell you what to do because that is a massive career decision. If you stuck to just one thing and developed your skills, well, you're good to go. But something like this actually makes me nervous when I have such little information to work off of, and I'm asked to give you such a massive career advice. Makes me a little bit nervous. Yeah, maybe, but I like highly edited videos, so a bit of a bias might be there. Could be, because YouTube is sort of a slop platform anyway. It's just some person sitting around in a chair just speaking to a mic. I'm calling myself out on my own stream. React to that kid who came on Shark Tank. I have watched that video. Oh. This one, did you mean? Actually, after my friend scam by tech YouTuber, my trust has gone with all the tech YouTuber. Now I think you're not like others. Hey, here we go. W talk. You look so similar to my distant cousin that when I was watching that video, my mom was saying, why is my cousin's name is angry and making videos? Nice. Drax, lol, what did he say? He actually said that there was no moral high ground assumed from his side, and he did apologize for making generalized statements. So, yeah. I also think team lead has mixed opinion. Team lead? You mean tech lead? कोई तो है YouTube पे अच्छा. Oh, thanks. Please tell me how to get web dev freelance work or make video on it. Can I make a video on this topic? I don't think I can. Clay project. Okay, let's see. The problem with this video topic is that this will be another slop video. I'm telling you now, Frederick. Because I can only come on camera and tell you things like master a domain, do your networking, blah blah blah, apply on Upwork. And there is nothing more than that I can tell you. Like I said before in the stream itself, the best way to start freelancing is to get a full-time job for 2-3 years, make your network, and then jump into freelancing. right out the gate, I don't recommend getting into freelancing. Really, like, that is a genuine thing coming from me. Well, you can tell him how to become 1% dev. Simple way to take a month, dabble in both and find a passion. That's how I got mine. But it worked for you. Okay, that's nice. But can we really say that what worked for Arindam will work for everybody? No, we can't say that. What's your interest? Again? Can you guys hear that door slam that is happening? GG's. Nah, bruv, the house is haunted. Last stream. Can you guys hear the door slam? Creating course and teaching takes a lot of effort. YouTubers like geeky shows are inspirations. Okay. Yes. Okay. No, this is not haunted. It's windy. It's kind of warm now. I'm scared for the summer in Jharkhand. It is so hot, like dry hot, that you will feel yourself boiling. It's a good thing that I got an inverter now, so I'm set there. No power cuts. Power cuts would not affect me anymore. But still, I'm scared. Bro, I didn't code for a few months and now I have forgotten my own code bases. I was making a web app, now I forgot how to make one Almao. Can happen. But muscle memory will kick in once again when you get into it. Unknown. Went from front end to back end. Love it now. Also love learning security concept from time to time. Nice. Why are you streaming on Thursday? Are you changing your schedule? Nope. Schedule is not changing. Look at the title of the live stream. This is about audio issues. So I wanted to get my audio issues sorted. So I think we have done that. So 1:30 in 4 minutes, I think I should wrap up this stream. Which is why I'm not playing a video. I'm just talking to you guys. Make a video on how to earn 5 lakhs a month base salary as a fresher, please. Yeah, why not? Then why stop at 5 lakhs, bro? Why not take it up a notch and just make 5 crore a month? Let's just 5 crore. That is too poor. Let's just do 500 crores a month. Best video idea. Buy a GPU to use as a door stopper. Bro, I'm not that rich. I'm not that rich. As if I am rich to begin with. I'm too broke. I just lost a client recently. I said that on Discord. And that has hit me like a truck. Not gonna lie. Even though the project has finished and the client did get what they wanted from me initially. However, like one of the realities of freelancing, I talked about it in one of my videos. Clients walking away from you is never a good feeling. It scares the crap out of you. Lol, guess who was behind you losing the client? Oh, yeah, why not? As if you know who my client was. But it did hit me like a truck. As I don't know what is demanded in the market, that's why I asked which domain is demanded and future-proof. As, bro, future is not certain. Nothing is guaranteed. Pick something that you like, just do it. That is moderately that has massive amounts of industry behind it, like PHP, Java, Python. These three are the three things that come to mind, and just pick a niche in it. That's all I can say. As everybody is doing web dev only. Forget everyone else, bro. Forget everyone else. Just focus on yourself. You should never think about what everyone else is doing. Pick what you like and be good at it. That's it. I mean, you can try. You will have to start somewhere. That is too much money for me to use. 5 lakh will satisfy my needs. I'm not greedy. Oh, okay. I see. You're a very humble person, Drax. That's good for you, man. Just Google, bro. I don't really like moving on with the trend. Yeah, don't move with the trend. That is something Theo also says, and I also say. Being a late starter is not necessarily a bad thing. Laravel is in full demand right now. just do it. Or Express.js or Next, front end, back end, any popular framework, just pick it up and just start learning it. Who is more toxic, tech YouTuber that you think? I think the better question to ask is who I think is not toxic as a tech YouTuber. Arpit Bhayani in India. That is, Manu Arora hasn't gained my trust just yet. He is still in the gray area because like, there you go, the video on screen right now. Master freelancing. This one right here. I'm not sure how I feel about that. So he's in a little bit, middle. But otherwise, mostly I think everybody is toxic. Thanks, Bhaiya. Yeah, welcome, bro. I've seen so many videos on how PHP is outdated and PHP is useless. No. YouTubers would like you to believe that, but it isn't. It isn't. Most toxic is said the IT guy. Yeah, why not? Sure. You know the phrase, either you die as a hero or live long enough to see yourself become the villain. And that one quote scares the crap out of me. Like, what if I become the money greedy asshole that everyone else is? Been doing YouTube for 3 years now, and that hasn't happened just yet. But what if 10 years down the line, I'm on YouTube begging for like, share, subscribes, or buy my course or whatever? What if that happens? Tony Stark R dialogue. Now he's doomsday. Bro, check Discord the design opinion. Yeah, I will, bro. I will. You need to start somewhere, dude. Do a bit of research and to start out. Easy snippet. Easy snippet is just the tip of the iceberg, I feel like. They are very much views driven. Yeah, fair. Yeah, Arpit is very knowledgeable. His podcasts are good to listen to while working on something else. Yeah, Arpit, actually I respect him given his video catalog that he has. Arpit Bhayani. He's the only one I respect in Indian YouTube space. Like, look at this. 70% using sidecar pattern. Bitbucket solved read your write. Jira moved from JSON to protobuf. Atlassian RabbitMQ to Kafka. Solving cache invalidation. Load balancers are out of memory. DynamoDB paper. Like, this is intermediate to advanced level videos right out the gate. Which is why I respect him. Somebody walking into his videos, they're not gonna get what he's talking about. You have to be a little bit advanced or intermediate yourself. Research papers, database internals, and real world engineering. That's the way to go. No fluff engineering. Yeah. He's also selling courses at Pith. But I still respect him. There is a gray line. Like, I don't see him promoting his courses that much or giving anybody money greedy thumbnails or telling everybody that they can make money by his course. Actually, the link is right here. Let's check out his link. No fluff. Oh, it already says that SDE 2, SDE 3 and above become great at designing, implementing and shipping scalable, fault tolerant and highly available systems at the workplace. So he's already targeting an advanced or intermediate level engineers. So I feel like it's all right. He doesn't target, man, this is expensive. $599 and $649. That is crazy. I feel like somebody in SDE 2, SDE 3 roles will be able to afford this. Doesn't say freshers who took this course. Belonging to some of the best tech companies and high thriving startups have taken this course. List includes this. Yeah, it seems legit to me. Yeah. What's Easy's doing nowadays? Left watching him, and so did I. I don't know what he's doing. Easy snippet. 548k subscribers. Picoin. India's got latent. What's the solution? 3 weeks ago. So he's not posting videos that much now. Samay Rana is cooked. God is testing you. Blah blah blah. Anyway, I think this guy. Yeah. Anyway. How you improved your English, bhaiya? Like you speak so well, and from childhood, you speak English, Hindi आती है बोलना? Of course I know Hindi, bro. Indian हूँ, bro. Indian, right here. झारखंड में रहता हूँ, bro. झारखंड. And मैं वेस्ट बंगाल से हूँ. I'm from Havda. So of course, I explained it before, bro. I've been listening to English songs since like the 9th grade, so it kind of helps, you know. Listen to songs, watch TV series, watch movies without subtitle. It will help. It will help, and it will take a lot of time to speak fluent English. So there you go. Gaurav Sen, on the other hand, is reading AI research papers instead of focusing on his core, which I don't know what that is. Yeah, Arpit Bala does coding. Nah, not Arpit Bala, bro. Arpit Bhayani. That Jharkhand meme. Yeah, Jharkhand does get dunked on every now and then. I do like it here. I mean, this is not a bad place to live in. A 2 BHK apartment is available for rent here for 6,000 rupees. Housing prices are at least a little bit affordable. You can rent a house for cheap. I have a 2 BHK, yeah, on rent. You got your answer about reactive nature of DiceDB with thousands of client connection. No, I didn't. I haven't asked it. I have not asked it, so yeah. Hi Bhaiya, I am 2024 graduation. Have done 3 months intern, having difficulty getting an interview even though I'm making good projects and doing open source contributions. Keep at it, bro. That is the only advice I can give you. Apply to jobs where it says 1 or 2 years experience, because that is not mandatory. That's a wish list. Apply to those jobs as well, and be good at selling yourself. That's the advice I can give you. Which team are you supporting in this IPL season? I don't watch cricket. I don't even watch cricket, bro. I did not watch the India-New Zealand Champions Trophy final. I don't think the highlights are up on YouTube just yet. When the highlights video will be up, that's when I will watch it. I thought you were from Karnataka. No, I'm not from Karnataka, but I did live in Bangalore for 7 years. By the way, shout out Bangalore. You guys are right here. Why you don't collaborate with me? Why you say no? Because I don't give monkey. Okay. Do you want to get banned? Is that what it is? Yeah, cricket sucks. I don't think cricket sucks. It's just that it's an overload of cricket. There's too much cricket happening. It's what I feel like. Also, Chipkali, if you want to collaborate, just ask nicely. That's all it takes. Yeah. There is too much cricket happening. Every now and then there is some trophy, there is some season, there is Big Bash, there is IPL, there is World Cup, there is Champions Trophy, there is this, there is that. Every year you have World Cup T20. It's too much cricket. It's too much. Hey Kapil, welcome back, bro. I'm actually about to... I have just joined. So sorry, Kapil and Kira. I'm actually about to end my stream now. Nah, cricket is boring. Hey Sid, wanna see my website design? Just a part of it. Tell me how it is, but don't show it on stream. Think how much going to stream, Madu. Translate this. I actually can't. I can't speak Kannada. I'm sorry. Kannada kottilla, bro. That's all I know. How's the NeoBeam experience going on? Actually, I'm about to install GitHub Lens on it, so I know what code is written by who. So plugin by plugin, extension by extension, I am trying to make the shift. It means shut your ass up and stream. Nice. Yeah. I'm just checking you. Why? Why do you need to check me? I don't get it. If you are doing freelance or remote work, then why are you paying 6,000 rupees rent in Jharkhand when you can live with your parents rent free? I can, because my wife has a office job, which is why for the first 2 years of my marriage, she wants to fund her brother's education by herself. She won't accept my money. So I was like, all right, you can continue your office job. I'll live at your place. I'll rent a house out. And here we are. I still have to live here. 2026 May will be the last month I'll be here. And in 2026 June, I'll be back in Howrah, living with my parents, rent free. There you go. Your audio was less in the last stream, but with my DAC plus amp hybrid dongle, it was manageable. Actually, is it fine now, Madhur? That is why like I'm streaming now. Kanuna Barotha. Can I DM you in Discord? Yeah, sure. How old is her brother? 23 years old. Doing B Pharma in Punjab. So, yeah. My brother-in-law is in Punjab right now. Third year of B Pharma. So, yeah. I don't have any channel. Just checking you. You are toxic, rude, angry, hence proved. Hence proved like what? Any say about people getting into big tech and after that course selling bandwagon mentor? Lol. You just started working. Nishan Char is the biggest example of this. Guy got into big tech for like 2 years in Microsoft and that was it. He was like, fuck it. I can't take this. I'm going to sell courses now. As there is a monopoly of BCCI in the cricket industry. Yeah, they do. They actually ban people, players from India to play in Big Bash League or English Premier League or something like that. Because they realize that Indian cricket players are worth a lot. So that thing happened to Ambati Raidu. He kind of went into an outside Premier League or something. ECL was it. Indian Cricket League, ICL. It was ICL. He played in it, and as a result, he got banned from playing IPL. So that's the monopoly. Yeah, you are toxic. Hence proved you are angry. Sure, if you want to believe that. Swap rage and move on. Let them rage bait. Who cares? W couple, to be honest. Oh, thanks. Is a interactive Mac OS type portfolio overkill fancy, or is it good to excite potential employers? I feel like it is good. Yeah. Mass coder. I would tell you to have it. It would be good. It's a bit better than last stream, but if I listen at stock basic volume, it feels low. Still? Damn it. Someone asked who is toxic. I proved you are toxic. Yeah, sure. Are you doing any kind of investment? SIP? There you go. From your salary and where investment like FD mutual funds. How can you manage your money? Can you make a separate video on this topic? No. I will never make a video like that. How to manage your money. Bro, I don't have money to begin with. How can I tell you to manage your money? Keep that video idea away from me. W couple, L husband, cause no Miko skin. Okay. Money management. Nah. Who is Chawal? I don't know. I feel like 90% of YouTubers are targeting very young crowd with the same repetitive basic content. And people are aware of this. People are aware of this now. By basic volume, I meant it becomes very loud at 7% for all other media, but right now it's at 30% to achieve same effect as 7% stock. Oh. You're from Chikkaballapura. I know places, Jayanagar, BTM Layout, Kormangla, Whitefield, Electronic City, Dasarahalli, and Peenya, Jalahali Cross. Jalahali Cross is where my college was. Saptagiri College was the area where I used to live in a hostel. Yeah, remember that. What is the lore behind Miko skin? Oh, is the GE Demon 1 crying about it, asking money from me to give him so he can buy it on Fortnite. It's a Fortnite skin. Opinion on YouTuber a tech lead. I can't give you my opinions because Everybody here that watches my live streams every now and then, they know my opinion. He tried to be very Sigma Alpha Chad like, telling me that he will make a response video. Never happened. Arindam, that's a Fortnite skin he's begging. To the Kannada guy on Sid's YouTube. Thika much kondu stream nodu. I don't know what that means. Doing masters in specialization courses like MTech in cybersecurity will be worth it. Yeah, why not? It will be, it will be. Oh, first of all, you said something, Chipkali. Man, this is very fitting username for you. You are a Chipkali, bro. You also make money by sponsorship collaboration, but you say no in public and you charge good money, approx 10,000 for one video. I wish I was charging that much for a video. But I won't. I just won't. You think you collaborate with me and take money? No, caught. Okay, so give me some proof. Go ahead. My Discord, my LinkedIn, everything is open. Just do it. Send me a proof. I sent you screenshot for same. Oh, okay. I'll check. Did you watch that tech like video X Google X Microsoft scammer? Oh yeah. You're talking about the original tech lead, not the Indian copy. Yeah, I did. He's in jail now, I think. No? It means shut your app and watch the stream. Oh, okay. Man, there are many people from Karnataka here. Leave the Miko skin. I'm about to get in figurine for myself. Like what? Warhammer 40k? Is it? Chipkali, give me a proof. Anything. And not AI generated, because I will catch that. Bosudi ke boards ho gaye. I feel like he wasn't paying attention when you said that you are back now, spoiled unknown. Okay. Anyway, check my design, please. Yes, I will check. If you would have allowed me to show it on stream, I would have done it. But you want me to watch it in private. Okay, so I'll do that. Man, there are 21 viewers here. I'm so sorry to inform all of you that I have to go now. No offense, Olmao. No. Be offensive, bro. Who cares? The contribution is for your brother-in-law. I don't know how I feel about it, but thank you. Things aren't that bad, bro. Oh man, that was insane. Algorithm soft. Let Chipkali be. Who cares? Yeah, my parents called me because the kid next door was crying. You don't know he charged. Proof. That's all I ask for. Proof. Go ahead. I have nothing to hide. Long stream tha. Sort of. For a Thursday stream, yeah, it is long. Because 2 p.m. Normally I stream for 2 hours and we are approaching the 2-hour mark. It is about to be 1:50 p.m. now. Let's just do 2 p.m. now. Who cares? We got donation for brother-in-law education before my Miku skin. Digits. A Grace Blackwell AI supercomputer on your desk. Now, what is this supercomputer about? Okay. What is it about? Like, what is it? Nvidia's new mini PC with the GB10 Grace Blackwell. Comments are turned off.
So CES is in full swing in Las Vegas and Nvidia has made its keynote announcements. Now at the very end of the presentation, keynote that it stands for Deep Learning GPU Intelligence Training System, digits. That was the internal name for basically all of the different systems that NVIDIA have been working on for many GB10. So it offers a petaflop of AI computing performance at 4 bits. So that's really quite mega powerful, especially for that form factor. Now, it's got an NVIDIA Blackwell GPU, so that's the latest GPU architecture coming out from NVIDIA, with the latest CUDA cores, 5th generation Tensor cores, and on the actual chips and so on. Now, the CPU part is ARM-based, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. SoC gigabytes, because you're going to need that if you're doing AI-type workload.
4 terabytes of NVMe storage. Nice. 128 gigabytes of RAM. That is also nice. So is it like a... like, you know, that M4 chips that Apple makes, is it like a NVIDIA equivalent of it? I don't know. I can't prove, but one day you will say. If you can't prove it, then shut the hell up, man.
And then up to 4 terabytes of NVMe storage. There'll be different versions available with different amounts of storage. Again, I think that storage is on the chip itself, so it's kind of an SoC design. Now, with that amount of memory, and of course, if you have the storage, you can run up to a 200 billion parameter large language model if you're using 4-bit quantization. Now, 200 billion parameters a day, when we're talking about, you know, running, you know, Llama 3.2 or something like that on, you know, your desktop, or on an NVIDIA Jetson Orin or something like that, we're talking about 7 billion parameters or model. So the CPU is a 20-core ARM-based CPU. So you get 10 Cortex X925 CPU cores. I've got videos about the X925 here on this channel. And then you get another 10 A725 CPU cores. And again, I've got videos about that here on this channel. So it's heterogeneous in the sense that you've got 2 different types of core, but of course they are compatible architecturally, but the A725 is slightly more power efficient, whereas the X925 gives you that maximum performance. And so they've given you this 10 plus 10 setup. So a nice 20-core CPU setup along with a Blackwell GPU is certainly something to be interested in. Now, earlier I kept mentioning it's kind of an SoC design, and that was important because this was made in collaboration with MediaTek. That was even said during the keynote. So
it's
MediaTek have had their input into this, the way of putting this all together.
So it's a MediaTek processor. Okay. Is there any sort of...
products, and it's compatible. That means you can run all of the NVIDIA's AI stack, all the stuff you need to run bigger ones. The new Blackwell GPUs in their full spec'd out versions can offer maybe 40 times more the performance. So this is something that's not in a huge briefcase.
Oh, so connectivity is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB. ConnectX is NCCL, RDMA, GPU Direct. I don't know what that is. 4 TB SSD, very good. GB10 super chip. Blackwell GPU, 1 petaflop. Okay. Grace CPU, 20 ARM cores. High bandwidth DDR5, 128 gigabytes RAM. Okay.
Maximum specs for the size of the little box that you're getting. So there was lots of talk in 2024 about MediaTek's collaboration with NVIDIA. We knew there was a collaboration going on, and the main thrust is because there's going to be a Windows on ARM PC from MediaTek. Maybe, if NVIDIA and MediaTek have been working together, maybe MediaTek has got some kind of deal where it can get...
Okay, good. Nice. Can we play games on it, is my question. Price is worth a kidney, by the way. What is the price? Oh, okay, here we go. $3,000. Ow. Woo. Already 3 times expensive than MacBooks. So
in May of this year, so we're looking about another 5 months away from here, and it will be sold directly from NVIDIA. And you've opted not to go down the line of an at that price point either. No one's going to say, yeah, I'm going to ban an x86 GPU, Blackwell GPU, 128 gigabytes of RAM.
Damn, $3,000. For a dedicated AI machine running at level 3K honestly isn't that bad. If you need a cheaper AI dedicated system for smart home use, try the Jensen Nano for $250. Oh yeah, that is also one thing that NVIDIA released. A small, yeah. Starting at 3K, I believe a proper usable Blackwell chip for ML would be over 5K, maybe even 10K. Could be. I don't know if check Discord said ASAP. I will. Yo, what's up, mid? Very fitting username. I feel like you guys, like, do you have that level of self-awareness that you give yourself nicknames like you suck or Chipkali? Like, has to be that. And I think that you are the one who made the video on me. You can game on it. It's an ARM CPU made for machine learning work. Can't. Okay, okay. So this is not a home use case type of machine, is it? AMD making Samsung's GPU and MediaTek making Nvidia's SoC. What a time we are living in. You don't respect me as I'm seeing you from 5 years. 5 years ago, I was not even on YouTube. What weed have you smoked? What's up with you? I've only been doing YouTube for 3 years now. 2022 I started. Seriously, bro, please don't do drugs. I didn't make it, but it was true. You're a mid. If you believe that, then why not? Okay, guys. Anyway, I have to go now. Please allow me to go. Yep, I don't have anything to add. I think my audio issue. Okay, then why you sponsor coding? Check Discord first. Not on stream. If he wants privacy, I will allow him privacy. I just saw something from Chipkali. Okay, then why you sponsor Coding Ninja in your videos? Proof. Proof. That's all I ask for. More powerful, I guess, than M4. I wouldn't say that. I would not say that. ARM-based CPU from AMD, I don't think it can match Apple's M4 or even M1, to be fair. Leaving for mediocrity. Yeah, sure. Best way to end stream. Remove system 32. Wow. Nice. Destroy my whole computer, isn't it? A list of Indian influencers for coding that we must not follow and which one to follow except you. Arpit Bhayani. That's who I would say you should follow. And in who else? Who is a good beginner level YouTuber in my opinion? I don't know actually, because I'm not a fresher anymore. So I don't know who I can vibe with as a fresher. So I feel like Arpit Bhayani is the one I would say, given that I vibe with him, given that I am an intermediate myself. Or I am mid, according to You Suck. To follow Ishan Sharma Saheli's snippet chat, Chai with Code. Good one. Check your server, not him, DM his. Where you at Discord? You're a mid, nothing else. Great. I think he is on wrong channel. No, I was talking about MediaTek plus Nvidia. Okay. तो किस लोगों से डर रहे? Bro, I'm not scared of anybody. Why would I be? If I started listing people I don't like, that would be like 90% of Indian YouTube space. People I don't like. So there are very few that I do like. One of them is Arpit Bhayani. Other than that, who do I like in India? Can't remember any names. Even Ishant is better than you, but you both suck. Great. I mean, किस लोगों से दूर रहे हम लोग? So the ones that he mentioned, Ishan Sharma Saheli, Easy Snippet, and Chai with Code. Like these people, Code with Harry, Piyush Garg. Who else? Akshay Saini. Who are the big ones? There is one YouTuber I cannot name, otherwise I'll get a lawsuit filed on me. And people who know, they know. Chamatkari Totke OG YouTuber. He suck, yes, my bro. Pretending like everybody knows you, you're mid and egoistic in your own head. Sure, bro, sure. You're not there, Demon One. AMD's advanced AI
welcome
event.
to
Everything revealed in
Advancing
9 minutes. Okay, I can't watch this anymore, given that we are 2 minutes away from 2 p.m. Hint. Sabki Pathshala. If you can figure it out, figure it out. Otherwise, yeah, I didn't say it. Lawsuit should not be wasted on mid like you. Yeah, that's fair. That is fair. Check server. No, I won't. Actually, let me check right here. I have Discord on my phone too. You gave me 10,000 rupees? Nah. What? Doesn't say that anywhere. I think you took a screenshot right before that. Also, why would you give me 10,000 rupees to give you Miku skin? That is insane. Bhai and Bhavi. I would say Jija and Bhavi. Yeah, there you go. I know. Yeah, I know you know. I got them soft. That door was a call that you can end the stream now. I gotta go and fix my keyboard software. Yeah, I should also go now. 2 p.m. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Bye. I will remember and I will make sure that the 40 rupees goes towards my brother-in-law's education. I will make sure of that. It didn't show up. He rich, I rich. Yeah, GD Manwan. Jija and Bhavi. Yeah, you could not figure out, and that's all right, in my opinion. Maybe for him, Indian rupee is small. On UDNA, which will finally work as an alternate for CUDA, UDNA will bring together CDNA and AMD cloud architecture used in MI300X and RDNA4, which is a gaming architecture. Nice. I did write this earliest, you didn't check. Oh, sorry about that. Anyway, okay. Bye, guys. Bye. You suck. Please continue crying. Okay, for me, please do. I will try my best in power to contribute to your brother-in-law. But don't contribute. But I'll make sure that this 40 rupees goes towards his education. Thank you. Bye. Bye. I will try. Anyway, bye. Bye. I know I'm still live on Google. Not Google, Twitch.